Hey guys, how are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and welcome back to Create with Ruchi. Today we are gonna make quinoa, which is a very good substitute of rice, and it's a very healthy recipe. So without any further delay, let's get started. To prepare this recipe, here I have taken 1.5 cup quinoa. This grain you can easily find on Amazon, Flipkart or any other sites. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain and it's very high in protein. Also, it has many other health benefits. To prepare this wonderful recipe, here I have taken a pan. In that I am adding 1 teaspoon oil. If you don't want to use oil, you can skip this step. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 cup quinoa in the pan. After adding, switch on the flame on medium and start roasting this quinoa. Keep the flame on medium and roast this quinoa until it turns golden brown. So friends, as you can see, quinoa has turned golden brown. Now we will add 3 cups of water. For each cup of quinoa, we will add 2 cups of water. Be very careful while adding the water since quinoa is very hot. Give it a mix and cover this with a lid. Let this boil on medium flame, then turn the flame on very low and let this cook until the quinoa is cooked and all the water is dried. Now the water has started to boil. We will turn the flame on very low mode. Quinoa will take about 15 to 18 minutes to cook. After about 18 minutes, quinoa looks perfect. It's perfectly cooked. But we will let this rest for 5 minutes in the pan itself. After 5 minutes, you can see water is soaked inside. Friends, if you are new to my channel and like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. Transfer the quinoa to your serving plate. Friends, quinoa is very high in fiber, much higher than most grains. It's perfect for people with gluten intolerance. Also, it's very high in protein with all the essential amino acids. Quinoa is very good for diabetic patients. Also, it has many more health benefits. You can serve quinoa with dal, or you can make khichdi, porridge, or you can serve quinoa in your salads as well. If you like today's recipe, give a big thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for all the love. Stay healthy, stay safe for now. Bye bye.